Hi, welcome to the DynaMed Tutorial. This is presented to you by Samantha Burkett for healthcare professionals. DynaMed is a clinical information resource that is designed to provide the most useful information to healthcare professionals at the point of care. After viewing this tutorial, you should be able to recognize why this is a quality resource, you should be able to interpret the search results, and you should be able to utilize the additional tools available to aid in making decisions towards patient care. So why should you trust DynaMed as a point of care resource? Because a multidisciplinary team systematically and objectively surveys emergent scientific literature and clinical practice guidelines. They capture and appraise relevant information that is synthesized into DynaMed's clinical content through an impressive 6 rounds of updates per day to the site. They also cultivate partnerships in order to provide clinicians with the evidence-based information needed to provide the best patient care. And they are also transparent regarding their procedures and who the people behind the scenes are. Editors also rate the reliability. They rate the reliability through a rating system. This appraises the most valid clinical trials and clinical practice guidelines. There's also a full list of content sources and a full list of guideline organizations monitored. Because DynaMed makes it so easy for you to identify the individuals responsible for their product and their sources, you can easily review the information and draw conclusions for your own practice. So, the most familiar tool on the DynaMed website is going to be the search bar, and we will do a search together in order to hopefully give you a foundation in which you can use to interpret results in your own searches. As you see, the results are categorized into these content types. And something especially nice, if we use this as an example, we go to patient information. What's very nice about this site, this option, is that if you follow these links, it actually gives you information made for patients to utilize. This way, they can be an active part of their care plan and their care decisions. So, under condition and all of these different results, you get information that's relevant to your search. The drug monograph results will link you to medications possibly relevant, but all that information and the drug dosing information does come from the IBM Micromedics database. And the drug review results, they provide efficacy and effects caused by drugs relevant to your search. And as a quick example of that rating system mentioned just now, we actually see that in place here. For example, DynaMed Level 3, it gives you a reminder in case you could not recall. It's lacking direct evidence. And let us not forget that DynaMed also offers a drug A to Z database and a drug interaction search where you can compare two drugs together, and if they do have conflicts, it will be presented. Other relevant conflicts of major importance will also be made apparent here. So to summarize, the search toolbar allows for broad or specific searches that will aid in the identification, management, and diagnosis of conditions. There are also some pretty unique tools available to you through DynaMed. You can subscribe to information relevant to your specialty, and you may utilize sophisticated calculation features. To subscribe to a specialty, you would just go to the specialty tab and select follow. Here you have options based on your email and the urgency and category of the results. Now, the calculator tool is pretty intricate as it gives you actual calculators for various types of scenarios that you would need to do a calculation for. It provides you relevant notes, you have your input information, equations used are always evident, and the references are often provided. This combined will allow you to assess if this is a calculation tool that you think would be successful to you. Another really cool feature is the decision tree. Through it, you can actually walk through parameters that help you come to an endpoint decision on how to proceed. So I'm going to leave the utilization of these tools to you, the experts, but wanted to ensure that you knew of their presence and the information available to you that will provide you decisions regarding their use. DynaMed is a robust point of care tool for medical professionals. Source information is made transparent, search results are elaborate, and the addition of specialty subscription updates and calculators make this a unique source. I hope that after today's tutorial, you will be able to recognize why this is a quality resource, interpret your search results, and utilize the additional tools available to aid in making decisions towards